So I'm going to show you how to take off residue from an old sticker from a surface. I want to try and salvage this vinegar bottle. So I took the old label off and it's left all this sticker residue behind. Lighter fluid will clean off most anything from anything. It's a super versatile cleaning solution, and it's also very gentle, forgiving. You can use it to clean, for example, I learned how to use it to clean guitars, and you can spray it right on the wood of a fingerboard or the body of a guitar that has finish on it, and it won't do any damage, and it evaporates 100%. So anyway, just square it on a paper towel and just rub that shit off. Excuse me. And just the paper towel will work as an emulsifier, I guess, and attach all that plastic or glue residue to the paper towel. And basically I'm pretty much done here, as you can see. Easy. Another great use for this, I don't know if anyone buys CDs anymore, but back in my day we had these things called compact discs, and when you took the plastic ribbon seal off the edge, it would always leave this residue. So this is another use for that. Anyway, or removing price tags from objects for Christmas. Anyway, thanks for watching.